What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I am kind of struggling on uploading the video. My editing software is acting weird when I try to export it and save it onto my desktop and whatnot, but hopefully I can get that figured out. But I wanted to do a quick little video for you guys to, update you, but also show you the cold start on this Toro multi-force after like 3 days of having it already. So let's do it. Alrighty, so we're on here. We got the Spencer Lawn Care sticker. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know why it's in this spot. I chose 4 different spots, and people chose this spot right here. So, anyways, let's get this going. Alright, here we go. So anyways, it started right up. Super impressed with it. So hopefully it keeps going like that and starting right up, which I think it will. Anyways, there's a quick video, and I can hopefully get this new mower video out to you guys within a day if this will stop acting weird. So anyways, stay tuned for that. See you later.